So we have 3 different dogs that all have a special need or a disability. This one's Sterling in her Bailey chair. Then we have Miss Harley over here. She's taking her post-dinner nap. And then we also have another Catahoula, Axel. And people want to know if we chose to adopt all of them knowing they had issues or if that's just how it happened. But we did do that willingly. We love to showcase them, to show that even dogs with disabilities are still great dogs and deserve homes, because dogs with issues are 4 times less likely to be adopted.